Hey, it's Derek, JVI Secret Gardens. Sometimes when you're cleaning a pond, well, it can be a pretty nasty job. So we don't always just drain and clean them. Sometimes we have to vacuum them. That's what Preston's doing. Preston with the vacuum. Looking all stylish out there. So we got a lot of nutrients in this. We got leaves, we got string algae. We just got to vacuum that stuff out. We got to get it out, goes in a little bag, and we put in compost bins. So not all pond cleanings are just drain and cleans. So a lot of times, there's just a bunch of gunk and nasty stuff that grows on it, and we have to pressure wash that stuff away. As you can see right here, that's what we're doing, washing all that stuff away and getting it out of your pond. So why even clean a pond? Well, basically what happens is you get the nutrient load from all of the nitrogen from thunderstorms, all of the fish waste, all of the breaking down of organic material, leaves, yard, grass cuttings, whatever it is. That stuff builds up in our ecosystems and causes algae. We need to get that stuff out at least once a year. We recommend twice. That's why we're doing this one in the fall. But we recommend that at least once a year, come in, remove all of those nutrients, and start off with a fresh, clean pond again. Why in the world would you even bother hiring us? You could do this, right? Well, one reason, he's playing in fish poop. So if you don't want to play in fish poop, and at the end of the day, we have the equipment, we have the experience, we can come in, you have better things to do than clean your own pond. Just hire us, JVI Secret Gardens, and we'll get you all cleaned up. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to our YouTube page. That's a place where you can check out our garden guides for our garden center. You can also check out our Facebook page where we're constantly posting new material and new ideas and creative things for you to use in your space.